Guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a phone. There will be a lot of videos posted this week because I've been needing to get them done, so stay tuned for those. This is a Samsung E317, as they say it's listed as, so let's see. And this is a phone and battery. I didn't realize it had a battery in it. So here it is. No SIM card. It is the SGH-E317. So yeah, that's right. Battery's bulged a little bit. Probably not going to hold the charge the way that battery looks. But pretty decent shape, I would say. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. And stay tuned for the next one.